So I'm going to show you guys how to set the clock on a Sunbeam microwave. I initially had trouble myself trying to figure it out, and I see a lot of questions on Google, so since I figured it out, I'm going to share it with you guys. The model number is SGCMV807BK-07. Alright, so what you do is you push the stop cancel button, and then you click and hold clock timer button, and it'll say hour 12, and so it's 3 something, so I'll just put 3 o'clock. You push 0 3 0 0, and once you've done that, you just hit the clock timer button again, and there you go. That's how you do it.